Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to change icon shape on your LG Q6. First of all, you download and install from Google Play X Icon Editor application, like this. Then enter in this application, wait a minute for loading and choose some apps, for example Call of Duty. Then select the shape of this icon and background color. For example, orange. Select size of this background color, maybe like this, and click OK. And now we have this icon on our desktop. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.